Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your Sony XB100 speaker. But first, don't forget to follow to see more useful videos. So, first of all, you need to make sure that your speaker is on and connected to your phone with the help of Bluetooth. Then you need to tap on this button, this Bluetooth button, and this minus button at the same time, till this indicator stops blinking. Great, the indicator stops blinking and that means that our speaker was reset. And now when we will turn it on, it will automatically forget the previous devices that we connected to. Let's turn it on. So as you can see, it does not automatically connect to our phone, and that proves that our speaker was reset. So now when you want to connect, you need to do this process one more time. You need to tap here, tap forget device, then you need to turn off the Bluetooth, then turn it on again. Find it here in the list of other devices, tap on it, and now it is connected. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.